Hey everybody, so this next tutorial is going to be about placing pre-built tiles and creating an assembly. Alright, once you left click on a square on the grid, it means that square is selected and the library pops up. And in this case you can see there not just this case, in every case there are 4 categories at the top: public, custom, favorites, and in use. The public one is the one we'll be using for now. I'll go over the others later. So as far as public tiles go, they're tiles that I made through the builder and designated as public. And I created basically a dozen styles as starter kits for first-time users to, well, just have an easy way of getting something started. So here I've input style 1 into the search field, and you can see that all of these tiles are style 1 tiles. There's 14 of them, and with these 14 you get to make any grid-based map that you want. Right, so I'll just quickly lay something out and you can see how it's done. So with the square selected, whatever tile you click on in the library, it shows up in the viewport here. And with that tile selected, you can make some adjustments. You can rotate it, you can increase elevation, decrease elevation, you can delete it, or you can edit it. Or that's where customizing comes in, and I'll go over that later. For now, I'm just gonna be placing pre-built tile. Right, so let me quickly block out a room here. Give it some elevation. One thing I wanted to mention was that this, and everything is on like a 1 by 1 grid, which corresponds to a 5 foot by 5 foot grid in D&D or Pathfinder, that kind of thing. So it gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of what you want to build. You aren't limited. Like, I know there are other systems that use like modular systems, and they all, as far as I can tell, at least for the time being, they all use a 10 by 10 system. So you're sort of limited in terms of the configurations. Like, I don't have anything curved at the moment, and I don't know, well, unless I change the attachment system, I don't know how that could work. That's one limitation, but otherwise it's open season. I guess the other thing, I mean, in terms of flexibility, is I have both these full height and half height walls. Right, so here's select this one, raise it up. So here's a full height and a half height, and I mean, I have those because I'm assuming that there's going to be people who want to see their minis very clearly, right? And there's others who are gonna, well, where that's not quite as important, where they like the extra detail that they can get in the environment. So yeah, I mean, I've really made an effort to give the user the ability to choose whatever suits them. Alright, so here we go. Here's a, well, you know, just, I mean, this looks a little bit boring, but you add a couple windows in here, and it's not so bad. You know what else? Here, let's put in some of these stairs that go down, and and it's more interesting already. Oh, here we go. We'll put statues by the stairs going up, and then it looks like something. Alright, so you can see how in just a few minutes really, you're using the public tiles, or just one style of public tile, you can create something usable. And then if you're happy with that, you get to download it for 3D printing. Looking at what's being used in this assembly, like this tile is used once, this one twice, this one once, this one once, this one once. So there's oh no, there's an extra one here. Anyway, oh, and this one used 4 times. Yes, I missed that. Okay. Anyway, so it looks to me like there's 7 unique tiles in here, and 7 unique tiles should mean that it costs me $7 to download this. And there you go, bingo, $7. Yeah, I mean, there is the checkout process where you have to input your Visa stuff, but I won't go over that right now. Okay, thanks, bye.